A common issue we have with doors a lot of the time is handles not fully engaging all the way to the top. So to get over this, you'll need a 4mm Allen key, and then you're going to have to come to the locking plate, which will be on the locking side of the door. With my 4mm Allen key, you'll notice at the top and at the bottom of the mechanism there's 4 adjustments. What these adjustments will do is they take the strike plate in and out again. So what you'll have to do is just move them around ever so slightly, clockwise to start off with, and every time you make an adjustment, just check the door. Again, you may need to do this on the bottom. If it's felt like it's slightly easier, then the chances are, once you do the bottom one, that should get you to where you need to be.